Constantly worrying about finances during life is a major reason for stress. For many, just managing their finances to make ends meet during the first 20 to 30 years of their work lives is a battle. For others, living in the moment and spending recklessly without giving a thought to putting some away for their golden years hits home hard when the retirement years loom approaching age 50. What if you're 55 or even 60? Talk about a stress enhancer. No wonder people suffer stress-related illnesses. I certainly started to panic at around this time. At first, I tried to ignore it, thinking it would all be okay through inheritance or some other major windfall. Are you kidding me? Well, I thought it was too late to do anything, but after speaking to a family financial advisor, I soon learned it's never too late. And following a little personal inspiration, I wondered just how many other folks were in my position. Turns out, it's lots. So, the Smart Retiree was born. Now, I'm no qualified financial advisor or anything, just a guy who thought saving for retirement was too late. But I found out it's not. It's never too late. The Smart Retiree is for you if you think you've missed the boat on saving for retirement. Consider it your late start guide to a stress-free retirement. Check out the videos. We've got plenty of tips from the experts on getting your retirement back on track. We'll even talk about retirement destinations where your spending dollar will go further. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the content. Thanks for watching.